hike up the tallest mountain, a woody descent and a reservoir full of monkeys. We're out with the kids right here on Drone and Phone.
Hello, welcome to our new Children Drone and Phone series, Hong Kong's 5 Best Walks. And Austin would like to say something about this walk.
This walk, we're going to the biggest mountain and in Hong Kong. So we're going to see so many monkeys. And it's a bit freezing cold here. And our friends are coming.
And let's go and have an adventure.
Now the cooler weather is here, it's time to put your hiking boots on and get out into Hong Kong's hills. For this series we're dragging along the kids, or should I say they're dragging us along. In 5 episodes we explore the tallest mountain, go out in search of wildlife, take on a new section of coastal trail, check out an old gun battery and search for pirates.
I saw a goblin!
Today we start with a taxi up Route Twisk and then halfway up Tai Mo Shan Road. At the barrier we get out and start a 300-metre climb up the road to the top of Tai Mo Shan. Unfortunately, you can't reach the very top of this mountain, but the road affords some pretty spectacular views. It's only 2 kilometres up to the top, after which is a long descent for the rest of the walk. Continue down the road for another 2 kilometres until it ends, then look for a small path off to your right that takes you into the woods. Follow the ribbons down. Now, what colour were they again? The path starts off thin and a little slippery, but later joins the more established Sun Mun Country trail as you slowly make your way down to the Shing Mun Reservoir. There are plenty of streams to cool down along the way, and for us, take a lunch break.
So we just passed a waterfall over there and I think it was beautiful and we had lovely lunch there.
How's it been for you, Rusty?
It's really good. I thought we could climb down in the sea, but we couldn't. My dad didn't let me. His name was called DJ Clark. I think you would like this video.
What's happened to your sister's feet?
My sister's feet fallen in the sea like 100 times.
The closer you get to the reservoir, the more likely you are to see monkeys. Clearly a highlight for the children.
You can come here to see lots of monkeys, but maybe they won't be there.
Not too long after, we were not disappointed.
We can see monkeys. Wait, Leia, where are the monkeys?
In the jungle somewhere. Can you see it?
Once at the reservoir, turn right and onto the road where you continue along to a place where you'll find taxis and a minibus. Final count at the end of the walk was just short of 10 kilometres, plus 6 very tired children.
I'm trying monkey
Okay, so we have ended the Tai Mo Shan walk and for me it was very good and beautiful. And what about you, Austin?
Ooh, that means great.
So, my name's Alyssa.
My name's Elsa.
My name's Lucas.
My name's Kieran. My name's Melanie. My name's Leia.
And this is Drone and Phone!